up from your seat and retrieve your belongings. Be careful as you open those overhead bins. Your items shift during flight takeoff and landing. If you require assistance with baggage claim, ground transportation, or connections, a Delta representative will meet this flight, as well as the information screens located in the arrival area. If you check the bag at the aircraft door at the gate, you'll pick your bags up in baggage claim at your final destination. For those of you that are terminating here in Atlanta, meaning that today is the end of your travel day, we do ask that you stay seated and let those folks with connections exit the aircraft. We'd like to thank you for joining us today and look forward to seeing you on a Delta flight in the near future. Enjoy your stay here in Atlanta or wherever your travel plans take you. Have a great day, a wonderful weekend, and thank you for flying.